Miss mo na si Ate Medit. Rate 1 to 10. Gano'n muna kami si Ate Medit.
What?
1 to 10. Gano'n muna kami si Ate Medit.
100.
100 ayo. Naglagpas na. I miss you, baby. Magkikita tayo soon.
Kailangan ka mo talaga. Ay, hindi man. Ay, may na kaya.
Ala. Kinuha ni Kuya ang phone.
Kaya kasi, Starbucks.
Sige. Minute.
Alam mo ba ang hindi bagay sa'yo kapag ika'y nagtatampo? Huwag ka na.
Madayaon ka. Tig-off ka mo, tas tig-mute mo pa, be.
Tarala kang reviews.
We. Kantaon mo lang si favorite song ko, be. Pero grabe, may hirapan talaga.
Hello, Ina. You're the right love at the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I will have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours shining on distant shores. Baby, they call you and I have the right to make you stay. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. Doesn't it matter where? Oh, tama na.
Dali na. Doon pa sa favorite part ko.
But somewhere down the road, I know our heart yours will come see that you belong with me. Yan, okay po. Okay na po. Okay na po.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.